back here on the Sunbeam. I was getting ready to start looking for the block number. And take a gander at the motor mounts. Those would be scary. Anyway, the rear carb, I got her soaking. I usually just soak them on purple power for a little bit. Actually works a lot better than chem dip stuff. So sometimes I also use Fabuloso, distilled water, and AC system flush mixed together. That all works good too. Alright, so got everything out of the drink. Look how clean everything got. I'm gonna pull these out, obviously, but I'll have to get everything in there first to clean it up. But we're looking way better. Way better. Way better. It's still squeezy in there, but we'll give it a little wipe down. And we'll hit this with our little wire brushes, get it all nice and clean. But our stripped hole is right there. That's the one that was through bolted. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Enhance. Oh yeah. There ain't nothing left there, so I gotta verify what thread these are and go get the correct screw and put a helicoil in there so it's correct and functional. Also, focus foam. I like how that vacuum line for this is a secondary carb again. It's just pinched off, but anyway, it's got most of the scuzz out too. Just gotta dry it off inside because we just washed it. But all right, so now we're gonna put our primary carb in the drink. Knock that off real quick. But y'all going swimming. Banzai! Swimming. We're going swimming. Alright, I'll pop that off. Okay, so I saw a block number. Right there. Zoom in. There we go. 198. Is that a 1? 1980525. So let's go look that up. Okay, so there's our number stamped, but it looks like it's been re-stamped in more than once. Like, look at this 9. It's all janky. Same with that. B9009694 IRX. Okay, I know it's really hard to see because I'm trying to shoot between things. And of course, it wants to go out of focus. But that says 10/5/59 casting date. Alright, so I'm going to undo this fuel bowl here. We talked about this, Martin, you and I, this morning on the phone. Alright, come on, baby. These are always a hoot. Alright. There's our bowl. Bowl itself, pretty clean. Little standard AC Delco style bowl. Screen off here. It's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. There is sediment in the fuel. You can actually see it. And it actually moves with my finger, so wouldn't mind cleaning that out. And also you can see the motor mount on this side as well. These wires. I've seen better days too, so let me know what you think and what we should do there. Everything else is looking pretty good. You know, there's a little heavy uses of silicone everywhere, but we already knew that when it was rebuilt. We knew how it has like a 65 cooling system set up, but no harm, no foul. So we got that going. About ready to pull our front carb out of the juice. Our rear carb's ready. I just need to get the helicoil here. Yeah. All right, there is our rear carb. There's our front carb. Looking good. I'm gonna clean up all of our mating surfaces now. Get things ready to go. Things had a nice little bath. Nice and clean. Alright, cleaned up our gasket surfaces on our front carb. We'll give these a washy poo. And then that's their reassembling.